The responsibilities of this job are number one, translating users' requirement into mobile app for system design, and number two, be involved in full stack web development. I am absolutely capable of working independently as well as harnessing the benefits of it. To demonstrate this quality, I got an A for my individual final year project, both for the documentations and the system. The laborious and long process of system development took a huge toll on me as I worked on every part of it all by myself, from the requirement engineering, design, and testing, both front end and back end. I eventually managed to develop a comprehensive course management system. Collectively, the steps were challenging and self-reliant, but they were worth it because I had complete control of everything and there were no communications shortcomings. The same applies for my other independent projects that I have worked on, such as the dentist appointment system using Spring MVC and several other Android mobile apps. I want this internship job because this company is the perfect place for me to demonstrate my skills as well as learning and experiencing hands-on industry practices for the sake of company's profitability and missions. It is my wish that I got to be hired because I have the required skills in programming, especially in Java and web. Apart from that, I can also conform to all companies' schedules, regulations, and conditions, and I agree with the offered salary for this internship position. In my experience, a challenge is a chance in disguise. It is the best way to learn and improve oneself. The first step I would take is planning. While the future is unpredictable, it always helps if I know precisely what and how to take the actions needed beforehand. Then I diligently seek for required resources or tools to aid me solve the problem. To keep myself motivated, I often assure myself that I am not alone and build a positive mindset. Likewise, if circumstances permit, I attempt to get assistance with an open mind from someone, such as a peer or an instructor. To set a goal, the first thing I do is ensure that I really want to accomplish them, no matter the source they came from. I regard context as the pivotal factor because, as much as I want the outcomes to blow expectations, it is crucial to not overwork to the point where I am unnecessarily wasting my time and my energy. Then, I proceed by weighing in various factors such as time, resources, complexity, and the cost of my goals, as well as the pros and the cons. If everything checks the boxes, I definitively decide what I should do to prepare for the next steps by writing down my goals and their plans. An instance of this implementation would be during my first moments of final year in university. Once I received the pre-decided project topic from my superior or my supervisor, I immediately trained my mind to favor the type of system I had to develop, although I might have a different plan before. Then I carefully considered the context, time, and others so that I could finally write down my goals for the project. Finally, I planned for the steps I should take and document them accordingly. Thank you.